Welcome everybody. Today we've got the DC Superpowers version of Aquaman. These guys' gimmick was you could squeeze either arms or legs and it would cause action. Of course Aquaman, it caused him to make it look like he was kicking for swimming. I think he had a trident. I think he came with that. It looks like he's got a grip on his hand. I can't remember. Does have fins on the back of his legs and the scales go all the way around. Very minimal movement on his head. I'm not sure if it ever actually turned or not. This arm goes pretty easily, and that one does too. Legs, there's some kind of, the mechanism to make it go is some kind of ratcheting thing so you can hear it clicking. Not sure about all the internals of it. There's no screws or anything, so there's no taking it apart without destroying it. I am curious how it works, but not curious enough to break it. Like I say, basically him and the Flash had the same basic motion. Yeah, that's Aquaman. Like I say, I wish I had more to say about him. I wish I had more stuff. This was a fairly short-lived series from what I could remember. I think they may have done 3 generations. I'm not sure, but you know, Superman, Wonder Woman, Batman, Flash, Robin. Basically, it started off with the old Super Friends show, and it just expanded out from there. You can tell it sort of looks like the Super Friends version of Aquaman. But anyway, that's all I got for that. Thanks for watching. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Plenty more to go where this came from, and I'll see you next time.